Hello everyone! It's a very foggy morning, so all we're here na at Camarines Norte Dug-It. This is the first time I heard this place, guys. So look at the place, so foggy. We just have another stop over here so we could, have breakfast and coffee before we got to the place that we really wanted to be there. Look at the place, guys, so peaceful here. Actually, this is just, it's not so social place, but look, this is the place that we were going to eat lumi and or I don't know what kind of food that they had, but anyway, yeah, those are the prettiest people, human being that God created there. Oh, look. So here, aray ko, ang pa ako sumasakit. Okay lang, basta makapag-vlog. So ayun, ano na po tayo, paakyat po ako sa hagdan, parang hagdan ng prinsesa. Look niyo po, oh. So, here. Then, ito po, aakyat po kami. And, jadan! Ang ganda, guys. Dito po kami kakain. Isa sa mga lugar kung saan kami lang yung may alam. Oh. Ang cute niya po, oh. Pwede ka pong may lugaw. And then, anything you could order, you could have it, guys. So, alam mo yan. Ito po, oh. So, later, guys, I'll show you the best that, this is just the beginning, the introduction of my video. At least you could see step by step the stopover we're doing. This is the second time we did a stopover to eat, guys. Okay, so far, I'm gonna end this and I'm gonna get you back later. Stay tuned and enjoy watching and be with us so we could have fun today. Love you, guys.